What's up everybody, this is Mari from Mari's Review Channel. Today I am back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Vankyo Leisure 430 home theater projector. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got a new home theater projector by Vankyo. This is the Leisure 430. This is capable of 1080p, the keystone corrections, and dual speakers. So let's just go ahead and turn this around. As you can see, this is a very nice home projector. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up this box. And this projector does come with a traveling case. It's very nice quality. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. First off, you'll see the projector. Right here is your power cables, your HDMI cable, your AV cables. So let's go ahead and unfasten these. It is very snugged in here to protect your projector. And right here is your standard remote control. So let's go ahead and take out the projector. Right here at the top, you have your on and off button. You have your menu, input source, you've got back, you've got your up, down, and left. Right here on this side, you have a fan and the IR blaster, a VGA cable port, an HDMI port, a USB port. You've got your headphones and your AV jack, also an SD card port. There's your fans. Right up at the front, you have your lens. There's your IR blaster. This is a lens cover. Right here at the side, you have your power port, also a set of fans. Here is your Leisure 430 quick start guide. This tells you how to set it up and start using it, including a few menu features. At the very top, you have your focus and your keystone. This is your focus, and this is your keystone. Right here at the bottom, you have your little stand. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the projector on. This is with no white background, and it's very lidded. So when I come back, I will show you with a white background and with the same light. As you can see, this is not very bad looking. This is with no white background. It is very lidded in here. So I mean, it seems a little dull, but it really isn't. So I'm just going to go ahead and play a few of this so you can see how good quality this is. Okay, so now I'm going to add the white background. I have a projector screen. I'll just go ahead and add it right now. As you can see, it is much better. The white does show a lot brighter. I'm using the standard Amazon Fire Stick. These are the apps that I have in my Fire Stick. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Pluto so you can see the difference, and then I will also show you what this looks like in the dark room. So far, with it being very lidded, it is very good quality, very bright, very good luminance. So you can definitely tell the difference between a wall. Now here is in the dark room on the white background. So you can see it looks very HD quality in the dark. It still looks good when it's heavy light during the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and test out the speakers. They do have 2 speakers at the bottom. So let's just go ahead and listen how loud they sound.
Alexa, play Whitney Houston on Amazon Music.
Okay, did you win? Alexa, pause my audiobook. Alexa, what time is it? It's 4:40 a.m. turn on the backyard light.
Right here we got the menu, which is the picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection direction. Then you've got your input source, which is your VGA, HDMI, AV, USB, and SD. This does have an awful lot of features. As you heard, the speakers are very loud on this. I do suggest getting external speakers, especially if you like the surround sound effect. But if you don't, this is absolutely perfect. You can hear it with no problems. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do another video test. This is on a white background in a very dark room. You can see the colors and the quality, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that on right now. It's only going to be a couple seconds due to copyright, but as you can see, the colors are phenomenal. It is HD quality. This is on a actual wall. This is given over a 200-inch screen. So if you like this projector and you are interested in purchasing this is only available on my website, which is at modisreviewchannel.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also check me out at modisreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.